Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to permanently delete your TikTok account or temporarily delete it and retrieve it whenever you want. A simple way only from your TikTok settings, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the like button. Thank you very much to everyone who supports me, and I hope from the heart that he gets everything you wish for if you subscribe to his channel now. Let's start the explanation. The first step we do is go to our TikTok, then click on the personal file or the personal file icon. After that, we click on the three small lines above here, then click on Settings and Privacy. After that, we click on the account, then click on Disable or Delete Account. Disable or Delete Account. After that, here you will find Disable, and at the bottom you will find Delete. If you want to disable the account and hide your content, photos, videos, and all your content on TikTok, you can disable it and it will not appear to anyone. Then you can retrieve it whenever you want. However, if you delete it, it will be permanently deleted within 30 days. It gives you the deadline is 30 days. If you want to retrieve it now, choose the option to disable or delete it according to your desire, then click on Follow, and click on Follow and choose any reason that made you delete your account, for example, or disable it, then click on Follow, and it will be deleted or disabled according to your desire. This was today's link. I hope you liked it and that it answered your suggestions. Write them in the comments